here we are. What do you think?
Oh my goodness. The glow up is spectacular. Like, it's a total transformation.
Thank you.
Wow, I absolutely love it, Jay. You have transformed this space spectacularly.
Thanks so much.
And I love the gloss effect. Like, it's got a shimmery sparkle.
Satin.
Speckles of sparkle. It's satin, is that the technical name?
Correct.
Yet it still feels like completely stable and sturdy on my feet. Like, there's no slip whatsoever.
Yep.
So tell me about the process, because this is a massive transformation. It makes our garage space look bigger, and now I'm visualising so many things that we can do in here.
Absolutely. So as we saw, the garage was peeling everywhere. So as soon as we remove that coating, we put down the primer, which actually sinks in and penetrates into the concrete. Thereafter, the epoxy and the flake go on. We then sand the floor down, vacuum it, seal it, and hey presto, here we are.
Hey presto, you make it sound so easy.
That's it, exactly. And we want to make sure at London Linings that we deliver 110%. So it's really important to me that you appreciate the process and the floor.
And you've been amazing to work with. I have to say that Jay and his team at London Linings have been an absolute pleasure to have around. I've been the coffee girl because I love spending time with them. And honestly, the transformation is mind-blowing. And Jay had me at diamonds. You mentioned the word diamonds.
Yeah.
Diamonds are a girl's best friend, and they're also a garage's best friend. For those who know me, all you gorgeous glitter bombs out there, is my little pink studio. So it's a little bit messy and cluttered at the moment, but this is the pink studio, and Jay has transformed my floor. I am so excited about this. Have a look at this. And this is a very worthy floor. Worthy's going to stand proudly in here once we finish our renovations and transformation. But check out the glow up.
Thank you so much, Farah. And I forgot to ask you, tell us a little bit about what it is that you do.
Well, I'm Farah Mak, but you may know me from Neighbours. So I've stepped out of Erinsborough into my actual suburb, and I've had the joy of working with Jay and his team from London Linings to transform our garage in the midst of renovating, which can be super stressful, but it's been an absolute joy to work with Jay from London Linings and his dream team. And as you can see, the transformation has been mind-blowing. It's had a total gorgeous glitter bomb glow up, and I can't wait for you to experience it. And honestly, they're the best team to work with. Just joyful, friendly, nothing's been a problem. And whilst we've been stressed with renovations, Jay and his team have been an absolute dream.
And tell us where we can find you online.
Where you can find me online. You can find me at the Farah Mak or at the Self-Worth Movement, bringing some joy and glitter and sparkles to your life. And Jay has told me that they can also do pink glitter sparkle floors. So that's on my next wish list.
Excellent. So stay tuned for a glitter floor in pink.
It's happening. Shall we check out the cellar?
Let's have a look at the cellar.
Wow. Who wants to hang out in here with me? And we also have the most beautiful wine collection, but more importantly, the most gorgeous satin finish on learning floor. I can even sit down here comfortably. It's got that gorgeous gloss effect. But as I mentioned before, there's absolutely no slip or slide. Even though it's an epoxy flake floor, it feels like there's this kind of softness to it. So I'm just going to hang out here with my wine.
Thanks for watching the episode, guys. And if you're wanting to learn how to install a garage floor yourself, why not consider our 3-day course, Learn with London Linings. And if you're wanting a garage transformation, do contact us on the link below too.